calm down, let them calm it down slow. I'll let them know I'm calming down, though, man. What's going on, baby? Man, aquí andamos activados ahorita. Man, it's been a fucking busy week. Busy week, guys. Man, ¿cómo les digo? Man, it's very late. This is a random live. I'm just gonna see if there's anyone that comes on here. Um, I'm gonna cut my nails while I'm waiting on the process. Hey, we got some progress in the sorry today. So I'm thankful for that, guys. Very thankful, man. Pila, 10, 10. We go right here. Okay. I'm about to sell some cigs. I don't know. I'll probably be on here. Probably be on here a little bit. I don't know. Um, this week has been crazy busy, man. Like trying to get the home, the building the house back up and all that. I just sat down right there, right now, right now. Okay, Ra. So Clay, so Clay. So hell yeah, man. It's been. I just sold some cigs right now. Mm, New Berlins. These be popping in the Philippines. But yeah, shit. This is kind of like a random live, man. I'm just going live right now. Like I, I don't even know when to go live right now, cause like I've been busy with the store and busy with the store. I'll probably just be on live for a little bit, cause it's pretty late. I don't even know if anyone's awake or up right now or anything. So I'm working on a I'm working on a full day blog because a lot of people want longer videos. So I'm gonna work on that and see what's happening. Hmm. But but yeah. Well, yeah. This shit ain't nice. I got the worker today and I got a helper. So I got a helper and I'm still helping. Trying to make things flow easier, faster. Um, bro, no one said life is easier over here. You know what I'm saying? But hey, life is what you make, homie. That's what SPM told me. But yeah. This is what an OG told me. Filthy rich and dying lonely. Yeah, man. I was just on. Let me see if I can. I was just on a live with a. I was on a live with a buddy's YouTube and just the topic, man. The topic. I thought I had to leave, but I was about to go and I had to do some things, but things changed real quick. So I'm gonna have a little